In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy hashtags on TikTok. So let's say that you found an account that has the hashtags like this one, but as you can see, you can just choose. You can only click on it and it takes you to that specific one. What you need to do is take a screenshot, go back to photos, click on that, and from here just long hold and click copy. And now if I go to my notes and I paste them, as you can see, I have them right over here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.